All right, we are going to solve the question. It says we should obtain the nodal voltage in the circuit. All right, for us to obtain the nodal voltage in the circuit, the first thing we are going to do is to choose our reference node, which is also known as what? Ground. All right, so let's choose our reference node. Okay. Mm. All right, so that is it. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is to assign our current. So let's say the current from this branch is I1. Current from this branch is I1, and here is I2, and here is I3, and here is I4, and here is I5. All right, so we are going to then choose our node. So this node A, node B, and let's call this place the voltage across node A, voltage across node B. All right, so we are going to apply I'm going to apply KCL to node A. All right, so that is what we are going to do. All right, so to do that, the current coming in node A is just I1, so we are going to say I1 will be equals to sum of I2 plus I3 leaving. All right, so and we know that current is voltage over what? Resistance. All right, so for I1, we know that I1, it is 1 ampere that is flowing through this band, which is also what? I1. So it shows that 1 will be equals to I2. I2 is flowing through this branch, and this branch we are having VA minus what? VO. That is the ground voltage here. It's going to be VA minus O divided by what? The resistor, which is what? 2, plus I3. I3 is the current along this branch, so it's going to be VA minus VB all over what? All over 6. All right, so if we multiply through by 6, we're going to have 6 to be equals to 3VA plus what? Plus VA minus VB. All right, so we are going to say 6 is equals to 4VA minus VB, equation number 1. All right, again, we are going to apply KCL to node B. So apply KCL to node B. All right, so node B, this are node B here. The current coming in is I3. So we are going to say I3 is equals to I4 plus I5. So I3, what is our I3? Our I3 is the current between this node, that is VA minus VB all over what? All over 6, which is equals to I4. I4 is going to be VB minus what? O. VB minus O all over what? The resistor, which is 7, plus I5. I5 is the current that is flowing in this part, which is 4. All right, so the LCM between 6 and 7 is what? Is 42, right? So we are going to multiply by 42. All right, so if we multiply by 42, we are going to have 7 VA minus 7 VB equals to 6 VB plus 42 times 4. 42 times 4, that is 168, right? So that is going to give us 168. All right, so if you collect like terms here, we are going to have 7 VA minus 7 VB, then this one go there, minus 6 VB, which is equals to what? 168. All right, so 7 VA will be equal, that is minus 13 VB will be equals to 168. All right, so that is what we are going to have. So we can substitute equation 1 into what? Into equation 2. So if we make VB the subject, so from equation 1, if we make VB the subject, we move VB to that and bring this here. So VB will be equals to what? VB will be equals to 4 VA minus what? Minus 6. So we are going to substitute this in this equation. All right, so this is going to be 7 VA minus 13 into 4 VA minus 6 equals to 168. All right, so 7 VA minus 13 times 4, that is 12, 1, 4, that is 5, that is 52 VA. All right, so this times this, that is plus 13 times 6 is going to give us nothing but what? 78. So we are going to have 78 here equals to 168. All right, so this minus this, if you remove 250, if you remove 5, that is 45, right? So we are going to have minus 45 VA here equals to 168 minus 78. So you are going to have what? 90. So if we divide both sides by minus 45, so the voltage across VA will be equals to minus 2 volt. All right, so and that is our VA. Let's find our VB. So VB will be equals to 4 into VA, 4 into minus 2 minus 6. So minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 6 is going to give us minus 14, right? So we're going to have minus 14 volts. So the voltage across node A is voltage across node A is 2 volts, minus 2 volts, and the voltage across node B is minus 14 volts. So this is how to go about this question. I hope you understand this, and if today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up, and then don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to share this lecture with your friends in other institutions who might be in need of this. And don't forget that we have a well-structured material on circuit analysis. Check the description of this channel. You are going to have access to our WhatsApp number and our email. Feel free to reach out to us whenever you are having issues with your assignment, you want a private tutoring section, or you want us to develop a note for you on any particular topic, or you want our assistance on projects. Feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for more.